Super Doppler, and you're seeing a little bit of light snow showing up on the screen. What you're not seeing is the freezing drizzle, and that's what we have across a good portion of the area. All of western New York and northern Pennsylvania shaded in purple for winter weather advisories. They run until 6 p.m. today for northern Erie, Niagara, Orleans, and Genesee counties for the snow and sleet and freezing rain combination that's going to last throughout the day today. You head south across the southern tier, and your advisory runs until 10 a.m. this morning. You'll see a transition of a wintry mix to more of a rain event as the day moves along, as your temperatures will climb above the freezing mark. Buffalo northward, temperatures are going to hover right around 30 degrees. We also have winter storm watches posted for all of western New York. Now, earlier this morning, we did not have them for northern Erie and Niagara counties, but now those areas have been included in the winter storm watch, which goes into effect as we head toward tonight and runs through late Friday. You're talking snow, about 4 to 12 inches of snow across the area, with some ice, perhaps a tenth to 2/10 of an inch of ice across the southern tier. So the snow totals will be lower south of Buffalo, but you will see more ice. As we take a look at what's going on outside, 25 degrees, some light snow at the airport. Winds out of the northeast at 13 miles per hour. You can see the camera has the snow and some ice on it this morning. 24 degrees in Niagara Falls, 28 in Jamestown, 30 right now in Bradford. Here's your hourly forecast. You're going to find temperatures this morning in the 20s. We top out near the freezing mark with that wintry mix of snow, sleet, and freezing drizzle today. And we're back to all snow tonight. We'll see a few inches of accumulation. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast, showing some spotty drizzle around the area this morning, and then things start to ramp up a little bit more so later this morning into this afternoon. And then tonight, here comes the next round of weather. You can see the pink on the screen. That is the freezing rain that you're going to see mostly south of Buffalo overnight. Snow as you go Buffalo northward, and then we'll all see snow during the day on Friday, and some of that snowfall could be heavy at times. The snow showers do taper off as we head into early Saturday with partly sunny skies Saturday afternoon, but it's going to be cold. As far as your ice accumulation map is concerned, like I mentioned, down across the southern tier, a tenth to 2/10 of an inch of ice, more of a snow event Buffalo northward. You're going to see perhaps significant icing across the southern tier. That'll certainly cause some travel problems across the area as we head to the overnight hours and into Friday. Let's take a look at some of the models here for snow totals, and we'll take a look at the GFS. And again, I was talking about 4 inches of snow across the southern tier. The model's handling that well. You'll have more of an icing event south of Buffalo. You go northward, though, you're in that 8 to perhaps 12-inch range. I think we're going to see some higher totals in places like Medina and Batavia with that northeasterly wind picking up some extra moisture off of Lake Ontario. So some of you could get close to a foot of accumulation, especially near the Lake Ontario shoreline. Your forecast then for today: snow, sleet, and freezing drizzle. More rain across the southern tier. Temperatures in the low 30s. Now tonight, the wintry mix changes over to snow. We'll see about 1 to 4 inches of snow accumulate. Tough travel tonight with overnight lows in the mid-20s. Temperatures hold in the mid-20s on Friday. Winds kick up as well with that snow coming down. Early Saturday, a few flakes flying around. Sunday, mid-30s.